The ELEGOO Mars 5 Ultra 9K MSLA Resin 3D printer offers ultra-fast printing speeds of up to 150 millimeters per hour thanks to its innovative tilt-release technology. Equipped with a smart mechanical sensor, this printer simplifies the printing process by automatically detecting and addressing issues like insufficient resin or light board temperature. The built-in AI camera allows real-time monitoring and detection of problems such as empty build plates and model warping, enhancing the overall printing experience. With Wi-Fi cluster printing, you can transfer files quickly and control multiple printers remotely, making it convenient and efficient for large-scale projects. The 7-inch monochrome 9K LCD screen delivers high-resolution prints with exceptional detail, protected by a 9H hardness tempered glass for extended durability. User-friendly design features, including a capacitive touchscreen and support for 12 languages, make the ELEGOO Mars 5 Ultra accessible and easy to use for 3D printing enthusiasts worldwide.